Hello chess friends, chess lovers, my name is amaikechukwu and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a basic skill a chess player should know as a beginner's level. Now, even at mastery level, this particular knowledge is applied too. Now, the topic of this particular teaching is taking free pieces. Now, taking free pieces is what every chess player is aware of. Once you see your opponent is having hanging piece that you can take for free without compensation, you grab it and you win the game. In order for a player to checkmate their opponent, it is necessary to have some type of advantage. A material advantage is the most permanent type, and the easiest way to obtain a material advantage is to take free piece or take hanging piece. Most of the times, all these pieces are being forgotten by your opponent, that they are not defended. So they are not defended. So once you see such kind of piece, you grab it and take advantage of the game. Now, looking at the first example in today's class, what can you see from here? Now it is white to play. How can you spot winning for white? From this situation, if it's a puzzle, like this is a puzzle, now it will be written beside it or at maybe the caption that play for advantage, take or play, let's say play for advantage. Now, how can I play for advantage? What at this moment, if my opponent tries to play a move like a check, when you probably bringing the queen to e6, checking the white king, I can safely move my king down to g1 square or h1 square and I'm safe. So for now, what should I do? What will come to my mind is capturing free piece. So what is the free piece on the board for white to play and take advantage of the game at this stage? The free piece here is using my bishop to capture the knight. Taking the bishop to capture the knight is the answer to this particular puzzle, where if my bishop captures the knight, nothing captures my bishop. Now I am leading this particular game with a piece. Yes, I have won a knight and nothing is capturing my bishop back, so I am at the winning side. So in this situation, most people will watch your game and say yes, you are winning. It is where you can actually say yes, I am winning this game at this point, because an advantage is also a winning position. Good. Now, second example is this. Look at this puzzle now. White to play and win a piece. My king is safe on h2. My knight is hanging, and I have a rook on a1 which I can use to capture the bishop. So at this point, I think if I use my rook to capture the bishop, I have won a piece and I'm higher than my opponent for now. So with this particular settings now, I can play my pieces carefully and safely to win and take advantage of the game to the end. I can play my piece well to win the game. So with this introduction of free pieces, capturing free pieces, your game will be better. When you are going to a certain stage in your chess game, you should try and look for free piece or hanging piece. Good. That brings me to telling you also that do not allow your pieces to be hanging. Do not have hanging pieces. Hanging pieces or free pieces are pieces that are not defended. So try as much as possible to defend all your pieces on the chessboard. Thank you and have a wonderful day.